If you love cars and engines, you will like model engine kits. Let's see what's in the box of the classic Revell Visible V8 model engine kit. This kit is rated level 5, which is the highest difficulty level, and a younger builder will probably need some help. Back in the day, they used to be motorized with flashing spark plugs, but when Revell acquired the tooling in 1975, the kit was simplified to a hand crank operation. This engine has a scale of 1 to 4 and is 12 inches long when finished. It looks kind of like a copy of an old small block Chevrolet. This model has over 320 parts and is not recommended for little kids or anyone who is looking to build a model engine in a few hours. The Visible V8 is a great educational tool for understanding the inner workings of a V8 engine. This kit offers a hands-on experience with detailed components. Level 5 model kits have much more detailed building instructions. It's a good idea to read them before gluing anything. With moving parts and real engine action, this kit offers a hands-on experience for young builders interested in automotive mechanics. The parts come in gray, black, and clear. You will need several types of glue, a craft knife, some sanding supplies, and a lot of patience. This kit provides a glimpse into the world of car engines for aspiring builders. You can build the engine as is or paint and customize it. It's great to see the next generations learning to appreciate cars and engines. Build one yourself or gift one to someone else who would love it. Check out lots more info at modelkitpro.com.